Hello there, this is Mohammed, founder of the Growth Suite. In this video, I will show you how you can use Growth Suite's new product recommendation features on your Shopify store. It is quite simple. I just click on product recommendation menu in here. And then as you see, my bestsellers and frequently bought together recommendations are not active currently. So I just click on go to settings button in here. We have two different product recommendation widget currently. The first one is the bestsellers. It shows the star products of your store dynamically. And the second one is works only on your product detail page because we check each customer's behavior one by one and we just make recommendation. If you are into this product, these are the perfect matches. You can also add these products to your cart. So first thing first, I will start with bestsellers widget configuration. I click on enable bestsellers button in here, and then I click on add a blog button in here. It will open my Shopify theme editor. It is quite simple. I am just waiting my theme editor fully load, and it is ready. Now as you see in my screen, I am just trying to find a good spot for it, and then I will just edit here. As you see, there is a blue line. I just click on it. It opens a pop-over menu. In here, there are two options. First one is blogs. Second one is apps. I click on apps. And as you see, there is bestsellers option from Growth Suite. I just click on it. It will show a preview when it is ready. Yes. Now, as you see, there is a title, description, and products, button colors, etc. Each settings can be adjustable in here. I can type any text in here like this one. As you see, it is automatically updated. These suggestions from sheet, and then I can change my add to cart button colors, for example like this one. It will update it, and I can change my call to action text like this one. It will be updated. After it is ready, don't forget to click on save button in here, otherwise it won't work. Now it is ready. Now you can do the same thing for example product pages. I just go to product page settings, and it is the same. I can also click on here. As you see, it is called add section. I click on it. It opens the same pop-over menu. I just click on app section and I choose the bestsellers currently. And when I click on it, it will put a preview when it is ready. And I need to change my title and description again. For example, also I can change my add to cart. Yes, now it is ready. I also need to click on save button here too. Now I can close this page and return back to frequently bought together configuration. First I need to enable it in here, and then I will click on add app block. It will open product page settings again because it only works on the product pages. So in here, I just put it above the video, below the product information. It is same. I click on the blue line and then pop-over menu opened. I click on app step and I just choose frequently bought app section. When I click on it, it will show my preview. It is same. You can change the text in here and it will update it dynamically in here. You can customize these add to cart button text and colors too. Let's make it something blue, for example. It is ready to go. Now I click on the save button. I just go back to my Shopify store. As you see, we didn't save our settings yet, so I just click on save button in here to enable bestsellers and frequently bought together widgets. Now let's see how it looks like on the real store. I open my store as a regular customer. This is a development store. I just scroll down, and as you see, bestseller products appear on the product on the homepage. When I hover it, I can click on them. It just open product detail page. If I want to add them, I can click on the button. It will add it to my cart, and I can just scroll down in here, and it works perfectly, especially for the mobile visitors. So let's go to product detail page. I just scroll down a little bit. I can see the perfect matches for this product. It is same. I can also choose some variant in here, add them to my cart, and scroll in here. And when I scroll down, I can see the bestseller products on product page too. It is quite simple. You just open your Shopify theme and put the elements as you wish based on your store design, and then just customize in there, text, colors, etc., and it is ready to go. All of these products calculated based on the growth seed, one by one analytics feature, so it changed day by day based on your store's trend, and hopefully you can show more sellable products to your visitors and increase your sales. There will be more features are coming. Don't forget to check your emails, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.